not gonna go away and there's no way to get rid of them. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Veronica. Today I'll be sharing an updated review on the CELINE Triomphe Teen size bag in the shiny black calfskin leather. I'll also be doing a what's in my bag later on in this video, so stay tuned for that. I've had this bag for over a year now, and from time to time I still get messages asking me to share my thoughts on it and if it's still worth purchasing. So let's start off with the cons. I noticed the hardware does scratches easily. Same goes with my CELINE Triomphe belts. Most of them are hairline scratches, so they're not noticeable unless you look very closely. Since this bag is made out of shiny calfskin leather, fingerprint marks are unavoidable. And from time to time, I have to use a cloth to wipe it down. Notice there are some minor dent marks on the back, and they're due to the buckle on the strap. This is one thing to be mindful of when you bring this bag to travel. Place it in a dust bag with the strap out. Otherwise, you will get these dent marks, and sad to say, it's not going to go away and there's no way to fix it. If you also want to protect the strap, you can put it inside another dust bag. This will also minimize the chance for the buckle to press against the leather. Once you have done that and ready to put this inside your carry-on, remember to surround it with something soft like a coat so that it doesn't move around. That is all I have to say about the cons, so let's move on to the pros and talk about the leather. The shiny calfskin leather is very durable. I haven't noticed a single scratch on the exterior, and I use this bag quite a lot, pretty much every single day, to the point where I've been neglecting all my other bags, and this comes to show how much I love using this. In terms of practicality, if you're someone that doesn't carry a lot and loves a small structured bag that's big enough to fit your phone and all your daily essentials, then I think this is a very good option. I love how this bag can be dressed up or down, especially in this color combination. You can just never go wrong with black. Over here, I have styled it with jeans for a more casual, laid-back look, and this is how I would usually wear it. Or if it's for a more dressed up setting, I can wear it differently by shortening the strap and pair it with a black dress. Another thing I like about this bag is the design of the clasps. I don't know if anyone has brought it up, but the creative director, Hedi Slimane, purposely designed it so that only one side of the clasp has a click to open, while the other side is designed to support your finger while lifting the bag open. I personally think this is a very well thought out design, and it just makes it difficult for a thief to try to steal from you. Now that I've covered the pros and cons, I will show you guys what I have inside with and without a bag insert. First and foremost, I have my Hermes Beer short wallet, and this does take up quite a bit of space. If you're using a card holder instead, I'm sure you can fit a little bit more things inside. Next up I have is a pack of tissue. Carrying tissue in Hong Kong is essential. A lot of food places don't provide napkins, and if you're having curry fish balls at a food stand, these definitely come in handy. This is my octopus card that I use for transportation. For convenience, I like to keep this in the front pocket. Over here I have my MagSafe battery for my iPhone, a felt material card holder where I keep all my coins, coupons, and keys, an antiseptic wipe that can be used for many things, my floss plus the case, and this is also very useful in case I have something stuck in my teeth before I take a photo or start vlogging. Lastly, I have my Estee Lauder lip product in the color Envy. I like using this lip balm as it has a hint of color, perfect to wear on days when I have no makeup. Now, I did not put my phone inside simply because I always have it in my hands, but I do want to show you guys that it does fit. The one I'm using is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright, let's take a look at what fits inside with the bag insert. The one I'm using is from Taobao. It's in a satin material and has 4 compartments, 2 on each side. As you can see, it's not a perfect fit. There are still a bit of extra room around it, but for what I'm paying for, I'm not complaining. Again, starting off with my wallet, my octopus card at the back, antiseptic wipes in the front, a pack of tissue, my floss plus the case beside it, lip balm in the front, and keys at the back. If I use the insert, I won't be able to fit my MagSafe battery and card holder. And this is all the items I have inside. Overall, I would absolutely recommend this bag. It's timeless, versatile, perfect to travel with, and most importantly, it fits my everyday lifestyle. If you're still thinking about it, definitely get it before CELINE increases the price. Trust me, you will not regret it. That wraps up my bag review. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye!